Patrick, welcome. So inventory is back in line. Bumpy comps, though, for the rest of this year. I'm curious, given that you've set a floor now and you're continuing to grow, how has your product mix changed compared to pre-pandemic? Home theater versus portable, for example. How has speakers per household changed, and what does that presage for what's ahead?
Yeah, thanks for having me, John. We actually gained over 5 million new homes across the the period where everybody was forced to stay home. So we're up to 14 million homes. It's been a real catalyst in terms of people coming into the Sonos ecosystem, and we've gone to almost 3 products per home that we average now. But we as well have homes that have more than one product. Have a lot more than that. And so we think there's a huge opportunity in our install base to take those that have one and move them up, to 3, 4, and possibly 6 even, and get to there. But we have seen home theater was absolutely, smashing last quarter. We gained share in every market that we play. Our portfolio is so strong in that space. But look, on the wireless speaker side, we as well maintained or gained share. And so we did that because we were back in inventory, finally put some of those supply chain issues behind us, and we were able to run a really focused promotion, which we haven't been able to do in 3 years. So we're getting back a little bit more into normal, if you will. And so that's why we were able to really deliver a strong quarter.
So what does the motion look like, especially in this economy? Is there consistency on what's the gateway speaker? Is it the lower cost portable, or do people start with the home theater and then add on from there? And do you see that shifting as consumers perhaps have a little less money to spend?
So, what you said makes a lot of sense, and you would think that, but actually what we saw in the quarter was a huge number of people starting with our sets. So we group speakers together, the home theater bundle, or 2 speakers, and we saw a record number of our customers actually beginning with a set of speakers. And so we've actually leaned into that and been able to get people starting with multiple, which leads to longer lifetime value, really powers our flywheel. And so, no, it isn't a price issue as much as I think a value proposition, and making sure that we have a strong value proposition. We make it easy for consumers to understand that, you're better, you have a better experience overall if you have multiple products. So we found a way to do that, and it's really helped in terms of our business, and I think the customer experience at the end of the day.
Hey, Patrick, good morning. It's Deirdre. Do you have data on how much Sonos customers are using the integrated smart speaker assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant?
We do, and actually, Dee, we launched Sonos Voice Control last year, and that's our own voice assistant. That's very focused on audio. We kind of on this one and decided, hey, we want something that's really focused on what we do well, audio, and that one is our highest Net Promoter Score as well, and we're seeing great engagement. It's about halfway through where we are with Alexa on our products. So we have Alexa, we have Google Assistant, we have Sonos Voice Control. They all play together.